Okay, making prank call video. Here it is. Brandon, Steven, Alex. Let's do this, man.
This is gonna be really funny, guys.
If she answers.
Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
Who is it?
Kanye.
What?
Shut up.
Who is it?
Stop talking to me.
What?
You cannot offend a robot.
What?
I just wonder sometimes, like, how miserable is your life?
Who is this?
I have the right to talk about what I want. I have the right to give my opinion because I back everything up.
George Bush doesn't care about black people.
Huh?
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
Oh god, that was great. Oh my god. That was so funny.
He's like, what?
What? Stop talking to me. Stop.